Well, here's the Lasko B20200 running in the window. This is the one I rebuilt last night. This is the front grille, like what's exactly used on the mid 2010s B2200, early to mid 2010s. It's on low. Here's who it is. Sounds just like my 2019 to 2020 Lasko B2301 and the Galaxy 4733 and the Lasko wind machine. Here's the original motor that was in there. Nothing fancy, it's just oh, my darn hand's in the way. That's what the motor looked like. It is a Paco. Looks very similar to the way the bearing is reminds me of the motor that uses the A microfarad capacitor. Maybe we'll do a turn on that and this and we'll have a look. This one looks like it might be a decent motor. It's got more copper in there, like it's got a little more copper in there with a little less space. Just like that one. Just like the 8UF one does. Yep. And this motor is fine. I just put the 8 microfarads one in there because for one I oiled that one and for two it has the startup sound. So yeah. This one's got the 6 microfarads run